Welcome back to Autoscope. Bentley Motorhome, 2026. Exterior, iconic Bentley Matrix grille. A sizable, striking Matrix grille, possibly with a contemporary twist but maintaining the iconic Bentley design, will dominate the front end. Adaptive LED lighting, gorgeously crafted LED headlights with an adaptive design. Optimized aerodynamics, to lower wind resistance and increase fuel efficiency, the motorhome's design will be aerodynamically optimized despite its size. Carbon fiber and chrome accents. Strategic carbon fiber detailing or enhanced chrome accents. Interior, luxurious living space. Soft couches and armchairs will be used to outfit the living space. Kitchen. The kitchen will be exquisitely designed, with natural stone countertops, integrated appliances from luxury brands, and a roomy refrigerator and freezer. Inspired by Spa's master bedroom, a cozy king-size bed will be available in the master bedroom. Advanced infotainment system. This system will have a big touchscreen with navigation built right in. All motorhome features, including lighting, climate control, blinds, and security, are integrated into smart home technology. Intelligent storage system. A number of deftly concealed storage spaces will guarantee order and a tidy appearance. W12 or twin-turbo V8 engine, most likely a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 or 6.0-liter twin-turbocharged W12 engine from Bentley. Bentley's cutting-edge all-wheel drive AWD system will guarantee the best possible traction and stability in a range of road and weather conditions. Adaptive air suspension, to create a very pleasant ride. A sophisticated adaptive air suspension system will automatically modify the suspension stiffness and ride height. Advanced driver assistance systems ADAS, to improve safety and lessen driver fatigue. A variety of ADAS functions will be available, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and an automated emergency braking system, advanced water and air filtration system, to ensure residents' health.